My mom just gave me this thing. 20 years old. I'm 8. I'll kill the teddy bear if I want to. You know what? Look at it. It's so okay. You know what? Wait, I want to see. The only thing I like is the candy. It's candy. The one
Teka lang anak kasi kausap ko yung pag-i-stay. Doon na lang tayo sa free party.
I don't really think I like that is the ice.
Pinakain yan?
But it's candy.
O, dapat maubos mo yan ha, Chesna. Pagkakain, mag-aral ka na, walang cellphone.
Aaral ako.
Ano ang aral?
Mami, kailan ng
Wala bang
April?
Ate, pwede makahingi po ng tissue. Salamat.
I'm getting the bill.
Nilagyan na ako. May tissue ka dyan, ma? Ang konti lang ng rice mo, pag di mo pa naubos yan eh. Ako na lang.
I think this is expiring me.
Yes, it is.
No.
Nakakita ka lang ng boylet eh. Naiya ka na. Uy pa oh. Ma. Tissue. May tissue ka ba, ma? Gutom na ako. Kala ko pa naman ma-excite ka. Tapos nagreklamo ka. Kuha mo na ako, ma, kasi hindi ako makahawak. Nanalo pa ako, 100. Balik taya lahat. Sana times 4 para kumita mo na
At
ako ng
least
300.
ka full. Bye.